Today I will show how to use the Logcat tool from Android Studio to capture logs from an Android device. In this case I have an Android 10 Nokia device, but that doesn't matter, works in any version and any brand, and also I'm using a Windows 10 machine. First step will be to download and install Android Studio, latest version. Go to developer.android.com/studio, or just type download Android Studio in Google and you'll get there. Install it, launch it. You'll see a screen that looks kind of like this. You will not have any projects on if you just installed it, but you can just go to create new project, select the most basic thing there, maybe select the language over there, Java, and then click on finish, and that will start will open up with all the options. Now, and we see here one of the options in the bottom is the Logcat. This is where we will see the logs, but yes, we have no connected devices, so now we have to connect a device. Before I'm able to connect my device and use it in Logcat, I'll need to set up my phone to send this debug information to the computer. So I will have to go to settings, and inside of settings get to the developer options. This is in the case of Android 10 is in systems, advanced, and here should be the developer options. Now I don't see them because I haven't enabled them yet, so I'll have to go back all the way down where it says about phone, then scroll down all the way to the bottom where it says build number, start tapping on build number, and you'll see a countdown, and after you tapped enough times you will have to confirm your security pattern probably if you have any, but then it will say developer options are enabled. So now I'll go back again to system, advanced, and now we see this new option, developer options, that wasn't there before. Now in here I want to enable one very specific thing called the USB debugging. This is the one I want to be able to link my phone with the Android Studio. Otherwise I will not be able to see anything in the Logcat. That's enough. I can go back to home, and then now I can connect using a USB cable. I will connect to the laptop. The phone will probably, I don't need to enable anything here. If it's the first time you connect, the phone will probably ask you if you want to trust this laptop. Then you can just say yes, and to remember the decision so that this will not ask you again in the future. But then by connecting, now we see how Android Studio automatically detected my phone. However, like if I had more than one device connected, I will have to choose which device is the one I'm trying to debug here, but we see it's my Nokia 5.1. And here we see lots of logs coming from the phone. Actually, your phone is constantly sending logs or creating logs, except that you don't see them. Now we see them. If you're testing your application, you may not need the verbose option. You may want to see just the warnings. You see how it's only showing warnings, so it's not showing the whole thing, or only errors. This could be a way to just filter out, to only see error messages that are coming from the phone. But yeah, if you have verbose, you will see everything: error, non-errors, all kinds of information that is being sent from the phone. So if you want to extract these logs at any time, you can always select the portion that you want, because yeah, you have a timestamp, so you know if you reproduced your bag in the last minute, let's say, then you know you want to capture this whole minute. Then you can scroll the whole thing, just copy, open maybe a notepad or some tool, and then you can just paste your log over there and save it as a text file. That's one option. Of course, you have the option of filtering by text if you know exactly what you're looking for. Usually if you submit more logs than necessary, the developers are not going to complain about that. Developers already have their own tools to filter and find exactly what they're looking for, so don't worry about it. And that's it. That's how you capture logs from your Android phone using Logcat inside of the Android Studio. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and go to qualityclassroom.com.